This past year, we were able to improve 10 of our facilities on campus, Harwood Arena gymnasium, track on Alumni Stadium, baseball and softball fields, swimming area, a weight room, and our fitness center.
With the school investing in us as a player, it just shows that they care and that they really do put in the effort for the sport, so it's definitely a great feeling.
Athletics are really important to the university, and I think our athletes feel that, our coaches feel that. Having the right facilities, having the right personnel, having the right support system, you can't be successful without those things.
The athletic department decided that we were going to get new uniforms, new fields and stuff like that. I think what it says to everyone that's an athlete is that, upper administration, cares about us, loves us, and wants to see us perform at the highest level.
Our kids mentally know that when they walk out here every day, it's a gorgeous facility. When the university decides to invest in our program, I think it really lets me know that the value they place on us being here.
Kind of like a look good, feel good, play good aspect where if you look good and you're feeling good, you're gonna go out there and perform your best kind of way.
I feel like it gives us confidence to play and we push ourselves and compete at another level.
You see the support that you're getting, so okay, they believe in us, we should believe in ourselves too. I think it ties to that too.
The players that you're out there recruiting want to see that they're going to come play somewhere that's nice, that they also feel taken care of, and it shows that the university is behind the sport.
Here, we're just grateful to have this beautiful facility where we're going to train at, practice at, and be able to get all our fans and our families to come watch us on a game day to be on display. I mean, it's just everything about our place feels good.